Bringing home a furry addition to a family is always an exciting and joyful time, especially for the kids. Families with children and dogs know how close their friendship can be. Families with children and no dogs are used to hearing endless requests to adopt a canine. Dogs can be great for kids. Not only they're a source of unconditional love, but they can help teach responsibility and cooperation. When adding to a new pup to your family, it can be difficult to decide which breed to go for, especially when you have kids at home. Ideally, you would want a breed that has a playful and protective nature, while some has energy breeds may be more suited for older kids to keep them engaged. And you would more likely want to be more gentle and patient breeds if you have younger kids at home. If you're considering adopting a dog into your family with kids, it's important we're clear about the responsibility involved choosing a breed which suits the children as well as the adults. Please like, comment, and there's a subscription reminder too. Number 1. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Cavalier King Charles Spaniels are affectionate and loving dogs who are generally great with both children and other pets. This small dog breed adores attention and is always up for a good play session with their family members. Additionally, they're quite easygoing, laid-back dogs with very forgiving with children. Plus, it's a thought to be very rare for a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel to show any signs of aggression. This breed is generally friendly, affectionate, good with both children and other animals. However, they require a lot of human interaction since they're family dogs, and it is recommended not to leave one alone for long periods at a time. Number 2. Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever is a confident, smart, kind, and a loyal dog. Neither aggressive nor timid, the Golden Retriever is extremely patient, which makes them a perfect match for kids. While the breed does not need a lot of exercise, they love to play. You'll often find that the fun-loving Golden Retriever is affectionate and obedient, as well as meaning that your kids will fall in love instantly. Golden Retrievers are very good family dogs because they are extremely sweet and gentle with young children and do not bark very much. They are known for having a soft mouth, and some of them have been seen carrying raw eggs in their mouth without breaking them. Number 3. Labrador Retriever. This is one of the most popular dog breeds, and for good reason. The Labrador Retriever is playful, patient, loving, protective, and reliable. Another perk, Labs are highly intelligent and take well to training. They require a lot of exercise, so be sure your family is up for a challenge. Make sure that they have plenty of room to run along and play. Whether they're black labs, chocolate labs, or yellow labs, they all share the same sense of stamina, strength, and obedience that makes them such a popular breed. However, Labradors do shed, so you should be prepared for cleaning up their hair regularly. And for this purpose, we've got a little surprise for your pet. Lambic presents multifunctional and versatile pet grooming rake for your dogs and cats. Keeps your pet fresh, clean, and healthy. The best team matter for professional grooming for your pet. Whether your pet has loose hair, long, or medium hair, we've got you covered. By far, the most effective solution for all your pet's hair problems like shedding, tangling, knots, and matted hair problems. This handy multi-purpose grooming tool comes with an ingenious 3.5-inch dual-headed design. One side features 9 teeth, which is perfect for removing stubborn mats and tangles, whereas the other side has 17 teeth, which is best suited for thinning and de-shedding. Just hold your pet and gently caress the body with a stylish rake of ours and see how much loose hair comes off your pet, and forget about those nasty mat tangles for good. It reduces the shedding up to 95% and is very easy to clean. The extra fine rounded teeth massages the skin without scratching or irritating it. It's very lightweight, and its non-slip rubber handle gives you a stronger grip. You will get remarkable results with the stroke of our grooming rake, leaving your pet's fur sleek, shiny, and healthy, and your furry friend feeling and looking great, and your dream of clean and hair-free home is much closer than you think. Just click on the description below and get your multifunctional Lambic grooming rake and much more, so you can put an end to your pet's hair-shedding battles for good, and your pet's professional grooming is just a click away. And the link is available in the description below. Number 4. Poodle. Besides their often distinctive haircuts, the Poodle also happens to be a very smart and gentle dog. Proud and elegant, this dog breed is both caring and loyal and is seldom annoyed or bored. Poodles are available in both miniature and standard sizes, meaning you can choose the specific poodle size that best matches for your living environment. They're great with kids with allergies as they shed very little. Each breed comes with different perks. The standard poodle breed, for example, is very obedient, smart, playful, and adventurous, whereas the miniature poodles, on the other hand, tend to be delicate themselves to one person in particular, and they're good with other kids and pets, and they're very smart and responsive. Number 5. Irish Setter. Known for their red coat, the Irish Setter is playful and energetic, loves being around people, and plays well with children. In fact, this breed loves being with their family so much that they hate to be alone, which means they are on their best behavior when surrounded by their loved ones. This dog needs a lot of exercise. A smart and trainable companion, Irish Setter is perfect for people with a yard, and they're good at greeting new people that come into your home. Irish Setters do have a long coat, and they will require regular grooming and brushing to prevent them from getting their hair mats. And no one wants hair mats on their dog because they can be messy sometimes, right? Number 6. Vizsla. While this breed isn't exactly a common household name, mostly due to their name for regular exercise, they're actually one of the best dog breeds for active and energetic families with older kids. The Vizsla has a living disposition with but a gentle manner and is both loyal and affectionate. This breed is also confident, obedient, and smart. Vizslas come from close bonds with family and are able to learn new tricks very quickly. And the Livra thrives on attention, exercise, and interaction. So that's what they're thriving on. Number 7. Newfoundland. Nicknamed nature's babysitter, the Newfoundland is considered to be one of the most intelligent breeds in the world. And these dogs just happen to love children and are very protective of them. Gentle, kind, and patient, this breed is almost like the Mother Teresa of the dogs. But both with younger and the older family members, they quickly fall in love with this. The Newfoundland best suits with a family with large open spaces, but although they're known to drool and shed excessively, they should not be left outdoors in the yard. Their long coats will also require regular grooming and upkeep. The Newfoundland is also a great swimmer and has also been known to save lives in emergency situations. They're easily trained and they're quite task-oriented. Number 8. Bull Terrier. Unfairly branded as an aggressive animal, the Bull Terrier was actually bred to be a companion dog, friendly and loving towards adults and kids alike. Keeping in mind that your Bull Terrier may often have mischief on their mind, especially when it comes to other small animals and dogs. Avoid problems with other kids and children. They're trained at a very young age. Bull Terriers with proper socialization are incredibly affectionate dogs. Our Bull Terrier's short, flat coat is easy to take care for, and the breed does not do well playing in yards because they can get messy. Number 9. Beagle. Beagle's small size and calm temperament make this breed a greater choice for the families. Beagles were originally kept as hunting dogs, and their sturdy build means they have never too tired to play games. If your kids love the outdoors, this breed will fit right in, since there's nothing they love more than exploring outside and taking to trails. Beagles bond with everyone in the family, especially children. They can be rambunctious when playing, however, so they need to be properly socialized and supervised with younger children. Number 10. Bulldog. For a devoted, patient pup that's sure to act friendly towards the kids, the Bulldog is your go-to breed. The Bulldog has a sturdy build that is perfect for the kids. However, he won't win any awards for the most energetic dog because he's docile, friendly, and a loyal dog. The Bulldog gets along with people and with other pets and dogs too, and the Bulldog is comfortable living in large houses as well as small apartments. Mostly, they are also pleasant with outside visitors and compatible with other pets, which makes them perfect fit for a busy and the social family. Their small size makes them suitable to both large houses and small apartments as well. So now that you know a thing or two about kind-friendly dogs, choosing a new dog for your family should be a little bit simpler to you. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.